Hey, welcome back all you backyard grillers. So Thanksgiving is right around the corner, guys, and we all know what that means. It's time to pull out those smokers, get ready to smoke that turkey for that wonderful meal of the year. Guys, this is a very simple cook, guys. It's not hard at all. I don't like to wet brine. I do like to inject my turkeys, and what I use is this Tony Chachere's injectable Creole style butter. Very good stuff, guys, if you've never tried it. And then I like to use my brisket rub on my turkey. I use this Fiesta brand. Good stuff, guys. First thing I did, guys, I got the turkey out of the cryovac. I gave it a quick bath in the sink. I got myself some paper towels, patted it dry. I did get a little bag that comes inside all the insides and whatnot. I don't need those at all, so I took them out. Okay, let me get ready for the injection, and I'll show you how I do it. Okay, guys, so this is my process. Okay, let me stress this. Listen up, guys. Don't ever put your injector in the bottle unless you're gonna throw it away after you're done with it. Why? Because you will cross-contaminate yourself, and that's not gonna be a good thing. What I like to do is I pour in a disposable cup whatever I think I'm gonna use, and if I need more, I just pour more. Move it out of the way. Grab my injector, which comes with the injection, by the way, and just put it all the way in, and then slowly just suck it all up. Right there. Let's get this out of the way. Let's bring the turkey over. Okay, and just make little injections like that. Just go slowly. See how it plumps up? Yeah. Just move it around. Don't worry if it seeps out, guys. That's normal. This produces a very juicy bird. If you're wondering if you can do this overnight, yes you can. I always do it overnight. And there you have it, guys. How hard was that? Not hard at all. So now what you do is you grab your barbecue rub, and sprinkle away. And there you have it, guys. All that's left to do is we're gonna cover it up, and we're gonna pop it in the fridge. And then tomorrow morning, we're gonna wake up, fire up that Masterbuilt 560, and put it to the test. One important safety tip, guys. Remember, you're working with poultry, so you poured some bird juice in there, so you need to make sure that you clean it very well, guys. Disinfect it. Don't want to get sick. All right, guys, so for today's cook, we're going to be cooking on the Masterbuilt 560 gravity feed smoker. Today we're going to use some Royal Oak all natural charcoal briquettes, and I'm going to, for my smoking wood, I'm going to go with B&B cherry natural wood chunks. Okay, so I've already set the temp to 250 degrees. Actually, I'm gonna bump it up to 275. And then I'm gonna go get the turkey and pop it in the smoker. So there you have it, guys. A 13-pound brisket in the Masterbuilt 560. At this point, you just wanna grab your barbecue rub and just touch up any areas that you touched. Just for appearance. Or presentation, sorry. If you're wondering about the capacity on this smoker, guys, You can see I have the 2 shelves that come with it. I just moved them to the top, and look, I can put my hand in there. If you remove them, you can definitely do a bigger bird. Okay, probably 20, 22, 24 pounder, no problem. But let's shut the lid, guys, and we're not gonna check on this guy until 45 minutes to an hour. So the key to any good barbecue, guys, is running a good, clean fire. Fire management. If you're running a dirty fire, you're gonna get bitter taste on your barbecue. It's gonna be a little bit hard to see, but you can barely see it on camera. All you want to see is that thin blue smoke. If you see that white gross smoke pouring out of your smoker, you need to figure that out. It can also be the type of fuel that you're using. And believe it or not, there's bad charcoal, man. There's cheapo charcoal that you know, really pours out some gross looking smoke and a bitter flavor. That Kingsford briquettes that I showed you, those burn very clean. The B&B lump charcoal, the oak type of wood, that one burns very clean, guys. Those 2 are approved in my book. So just thought I'd pass on that little tip. All right, so an hour and a half later, guys, timer went off on the Masterbuilt. Let's give this boy a check. Look at that, nice little color, looking good so far. So at this point, what I'm gonna do, guys, is I'm gonna spritz it with this fake butter. You can use whatever you want, guys. And this is just gonna help keep it moist and get that nice color that we're after. I'm gonna flip it around. I'm gonna have to put the camera down just so I can get the other side. I'll be right back. There you go, guys. So I spritz the turkey with butter all around. Look at that. Looks really nice. So we're gonna shut the lid and we're gonna check it in another 45 minutes. We're gonna come and spritz it again. Let's set another timer. For 15 minutes is fine. There you go. Oh, one more thing. Let's check our wood chunks. Let's add a little bit more. Why not? Yeah. Close it up. Check it later. All right, so we flipped it over and we're gonna spritz it with some butter again. That cherry wood smells really good, guys. But it's cherry and oak. Combination of both. That's a winner. Okay, so it's been 2.5 to 2 hours and 45 minutes into the cook. At this point, we're going to insert a meat probe. Now this Masterbuilt comes with 4 ports, but they only send you 1 meat probe, which is okay. And I haven't used it yet. This is the first time I'm gonna use it. And we wanna monitor, we're gonna stick it in the thickest part of the breast. The safe internal temp for turkey, guys, is 165. Sometimes I take them to, 170, 172. 175 is even okay. I'm not worried about drying it out because I have enough injection in there and it's gonna keep that turkey nice and moist, and you'll see the end result. Alrighty, so we inserted the probe. As you can see, it's going through that port into the pit, and let me see if we can see. All right, it's at 157 internal temp, so we're not that far. I'm thinking about an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours before this bird is done. At 275 still, I haven't moved that. And guys, one little thing, let me open it up real quick. If it starts getting too dark on you, just tent it lightly. Get a piece of tin foil and just put it on top of the bird like that, and you'll be all right. Let's see here. This sucker's got to go. I don't like that dial. So the Masterbuilt probe says that the internal temp is already at 165 degrees, and look at that, guys. Doesn't that look awesome? Let's double check it with another instant read thermometer just to be sure. I guess it'd help if I would turn it on, huh? see here. Still says what? 160 degrees, so no, it's not quite there yet. So I'm gonna set another timer for about 30 minutes. I'm gonna crank it up to 300 degrees just to crisp up that skin just a little bit more. And we'll be back. All right, look at that, guys. 169, 170, it's fluctuating. So this bad boy is done, guys. I'm gonna get this out. I'm gonna let it rest for about 15 minutes, and then we're gonna start carving into it. All right, guys, so we took the turkey out of the smoker, and look at that, man. Does that look beautiful or not? What you wanna do is you wanna rest your turkey for about 20 minutes, and then remember, guys, I took it out at about 169 degrees, but there's carryover cook. So I'm gonna just lightly tint it. Okay. And then I'm gonna come back in 20 minutes, carve it up. All right, guys, so let's slice into this bad boy. And really good. Oh, look at all that juice, man. See that? Look at that. You smell that cherry wood. How's it look, Top? I can't see from this angle. It looks really good. Really nice and juicy. That. Boy. Let's taste it, huh? What do you think?
Yeah.
Now when I noticed that the skin stayed intact, that's a good sign right there. Get a close up of this pot. Look at that, guys. Oh, this is moist, man. No doubt at all. Let's see how it tastes like. Very, very moist, guys. That smoke flavor is awesome. I can definitely taste that. Sorry for talking with my mouth open. You can definitely taste that cherry wood flavor on it. Okay, guys, so 3.5 hours in the smoker is all it took to produce this awesome looking bird that you see right here in front of you. You saw how juicy it is. That brisket rub did a great job on that turkey. Use your favorite charcoal, your favorite wood chunks, and you too can get these results, no problem at all, guys. Guys, I hope we've inspired you to do this, follow this recipe and smoke your turkey for Thanksgiving and Christmas. Guys, if you like what we're doing, please hit that subscribe button and like this video. Thank you very much.